Khan's Maths 5 Plus, page 40. Dear students, today we will learn about concept of sum and all. Look at these pictures. Sum. Sum means a part of something. You see some apples in the basket and some in the tree. All. You see all apples in the basket. There is no apple left in the tree. All means total number of objects in a set. You see, some students are attentive, some are talking. Some means a part of something. You see, all students are attentive. It means no student is talking or disturbing the class. All means total number of objects in a set. Respectable teachers and parents explain the difference between sum and all, giving simple examples according to the children's cognition and understanding level. Tell them that sum is clearly lesser than all. Also tell them that all is the total number of objects in a set and sum is a part of it while sum is small part of the set. Demonstrate through different objects in the classroom. Also ask the children whether the objects you are showing them are sum or all. Make the children practice sum and all in short sentences after looking at the flashcards conveying the same information. Appreciate the children for their better understanding of the topic and your involvement in today's lecture. Clap for them so that they may learn new things with more concentration and devotion. Thank you.